I have a really big life update, major family news to share with you guys. I'm super excited to bring you along on this journey as I always have. But today I'm letting you know that my husband and I have hit a major milestone in our fire journey. If you don't know what that means, I'll share it with you in a second. And so my husband will actually be retiring from his real estate profession, job, and we have a lot of changes coming our way, and I'm going to share with you what is next and how I'm going to be having my business react to this and all of the changes that are going on in our life. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So a while back, I did a video that said I'm retiring, and obviously it wasn't that I retired at the time, but it was that I am working with my husband toward retirement, which hopefully we all are. But we found a movement called the FIRE movement, which stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. And these are people that save tons and tons and tons and tons of money toward their retirement so that they can reach their FI number or their financial independence number. And once they get to that number, they retire, whether or not they're 65 or whether or not they're 62 or 70 or whatever. They retire early. So most of the people do it in their 40s and 50s, and they reach a certain number, they stop saving, and then they live off their investments for the rest of their life. And so if you want to know more about that, let me know. I can always share more about that. But so my husband and I found out about this in 2020. We started working toward it, and here we are in 2025. We had planned that it would take us till 2034 to get there, to save up all of the millions of dollars that you need to get to financial independence. And it would also coincide with the time that our son would, be 18 and he'd be heading off to college and graduating from high school. And so we would, stop working at that point. He would go off to college and we would sell everything and slow travel the world. And there are couples that do this. I watch their YouTube channels, and so I see people that do this all the time. There's a huge community out there for it, and it's really exciting. And so my husband and I in 2020 started working towards this. And so all of our extra money went to investments, and those investments grew. And so when you get to a number that you can figure out for yourself, then it's time to stop. So we have actually figured out that we are, pretty close to our number, and that my husband is able to retire from his job. So he's going to retire from his job. I am going to continue working. So we want to just double, triple check, make sure that everything is good. We probably could stop right now, both of us, but I think it doesn't make sense to do that. Everything's going well with my business. We're still here. We're not going anywhere. My son is only 10. So, we still have a ways to go. But my husband is stopping working because he works a lot, and it is a great opportunity for us to kind of switch roles a little bit. So, I was the stay-at-home mom, then I started building the business. And so I, raised our son. And when the son is little, mommy is what they need. But when they're 10 and pretty soon we'll be heading off to middle school, and they're doing, he's doing baseball. And so there's a lot more opportunity now for my husband to teach him how to be a man, to teach him how to fix things around the house, to coach his baseball, and things that he wasn't able to do when he was working. But by stopping working, he can. And so he's actually going to take more of a domestic role, and I'm going to focus more on the business. And so we're going to kind of swap. So it's really interesting because, I've always been better suited for working. I'm not a great cook, and I'm not really good at domestic things, and I don't really care to be. It's just not what I'm interested in. I like working. I like helping people. I like, my business, and I like figuring out those problems. I don't want to figure out how to make better muffins. I want to figure out how to build a bigger business. That's what makes me tick. So I'm really excited for this change, not only because I'm going to have more together time with my husband, though that could be a good thing or a bad thing, but he has more time to spend with our son. He's actually going to be taking over some of the cooking duties, which is great. He's going to do some of the grocery shopping. He's going to do pickup. And so that's going to save me a lot of time. And I'm going to pour that into the business. And so the business will grow and will need to grow, but it's actually doing what it needs to do to help us pay our bills. So I want it to grow, but it's going along the way it needs to. So you may ask, because maybe you don't know. So before, when my husband was working, he covered all the bills, and my business helped save for investments, pay for the little things, paid for baseball, paid for school pictures, paid for like random stuff like that. So we didn't count on my money. So my money didn't factor into the bills. It was just make as much money as I could make, shove it into investments, pay for the extras. Now that we won't have his salary anymore, my business will cover the bills. It will cover most of the bills. He also has some other money coming in, not through the job. So when we have that, all of the bills will be paid by the salary that I pay myself and some of the money that my husband gets every month. So with that, we will be paying all of our bills. We won't be continuing to save for our retirement because we've already saved what we need, but we're actually not touching it. So it's going to continue to grow. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs. Everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. So my vision that we had early of both of us stopping working by 2034, we've already taken, his part out of the equation. So he will now be retired. I will still be working with the business. But because it's going so well and because the business is doing what it needs to do, I have a feeling I probably won't be working till 2034. I mean, I can't say for sure, so I'm sure I'll do another update video in a few years, but I don't think I'm going to need to work that long. I think that I could probably do another 5 years. And I really don't have to, but I think it's more of just making sure, let's let our investments grow a little bit more, make sure that everything's good. Also, too, when you do early retirement, you have to do some money moving because you can't access all of your retirement accounts until you're 59 and a half, which we are not. We're in our 40s. So there's some things you need to do, and you need like a 5-year runway to do that. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's called a Roth conversion ladder. And so it's just a whole little financial thing that you have to do. So we need 5 years to make that work. But once that's happening, then we should be good. And so I may be done in 5 years. So that's a big update from, never say never. We don't know. It's possible I might work the whole 10 years, but he's done. And I'm looking at a 5-year work plan. And then I think we're both done. So I wanted to share that with you because I know a lot of you do this to make money on the side. I know a lot of you do it to pay off debt or just to pay your current bills, but just think about what you can do with reselling. If your reselling was reliable and consistent and brought in more money, you can do anything with it, and you could even retire. And some people like to do this even as a retirement side hustle, which I very much believe in as well. A lot of the people that watch me tell me that they're retired and they do Poshmark to make extra money on the side. So that's all very possible. So the other thing I wanted to share with you as another update is that we have a second channel. And so in the past, I told you that I had created a second channel where I scratch lottery tickets, and share that because I didn't know it was a thing. And then I found out it was a thing and I'm like, I could do that. So I'm not a big lottery player, but I bought a bunch of tickets. I started a YouTube channel and I scratched tickets on YouTube and it was fun. And then like a few days into it, I won $10,000 on a Jeopardy scratch ticket. And that was like super crazy. And that video went, viral-ish and, not really viral, but viral in the lottery community. And so it monetized that channel. And so I kept it going for a while. And then I said, like, how much more money am I going to, like, I didn't want to spend all the $10,000 on tickets. I wanted to use it for other things. So I kept the channel, but I was like, this needs to turn into something else. Like, this can't be a lottery channel for forever because I'm not going to pour all of my life savings that I saved up to spend it on lottery tickets just to have a channel. It wasn't doing that. It was doing okay, but it wasn't doing that well. So my husband and I decided that we would turn it into a financial independence, retire early travel channel, which there are lots of them out there. I watch many of them. And I said, well, why not have my own? So on that channel, I turned it from the lottery channel. I renamed it. It's called Fire Fast Travel Slow. And so this channel now will document myself and my husband, our, journey to financial independence, what we're doing, how we're doing it, about our investments, about the Roth conversion ladder, all of that nitty-gritty stuff about being early retirees, and then also the travel part. So again, right now we're not traveling full time. We still have my little guy, but we are doing lots of travel. We get casino offers from playing in the casino on cruises, and we share cabin tours and casino tours and cruise offer videos. And we had our big 3-week Europe cruise. That was awesome. So there's just a lot of fun things that we share on that channel that's completely different from this. And so if you happen to be someone who is interested, I'm not going to put that content here. I'm doing it today just to let you know the life update, and to let you know that that channel exists. Again, it's called Fire Fast Travel Slow. It's myself and my husband, and that channel is all about retiring early, financial independence, and slow travel, cruise travel, things like that. So if you're interested in those things, I hope you will go over there and subscribe. Say hi to me in the comments. You guys know I read and respond to all of the comments. And yeah, so let me know what questions you have about this. If you do, I can always make a follow-up video, or you can just check out that other channel that we have and see what's going on over there. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Poshmark VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Poshmark VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.